jump, jump. Oh yeah.
Oh no, I'm good for that, bro.
Loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim me out so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave.
Yeah, so right now I'm in the lounge and yeah, I'm tired, I can't lie. But I'll fall asleep. When I fall asleep, I'm going to Turkey. You're gonna see anyways. I'm flying on my own, my family's already there, so I'll meet them. Never too early to start sipping. About to go to my gate right now, just left the lounge, tired, belly full up. Landed, yeah. I was speaking to my pops, family for a bit. But yeah, this is the room tour. So you come out there. It's actually nicer than I thought, but it's not bad. Decent spot. That one's in. Nice. A cool shower to myself. And I don't know how to change the language. I'm still trying to work that out. Got a double bed, a single bed. All of the rooms are like this by default, by the way. On this row, you got the local poolside. Nothing's going on right now. Don't know what's out there. There's some shops. I did see a club nearby, but I'm not doing that because it's a chilled holiday. Just here to relax and take a break. And I'm saying, get me. But tomorrow, got activity in the morning, so I need to sleep, have a shower. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's morning time right now. I'm gonna quickly show you, man, the pool in it. My bad, I'm still stuck in my French music era, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what the pool looks like. It looks okay. Probably won't get in it. But yeah, just a quick trip, people. Come on. We're gonna do an activity though today. Getting ready to have breakfast then. Look at the boats, man. These are average over here. It's crazy. Got like all of that as well. The views are mad. Man's getting burnt out here. Gonna be in the shade for a bit.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, everybody please smile today, okay? Today, Dorogi гости, это красная башня Alanya.
These rocks look crazy. Ignore this music.
Okay, yalla, jump, 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 jump. Oh yes.
He's gone.
Bye bye pirates. See you next life. Пока до завтра. I'm sorry.
In the world, never walk under ladders. I think the red.
Where is the pirate Tarzan?
Mama.
Look right side on the boat. Okay. Are you ready? 2, 1, yeah. Now again, low. Riba, la preva, baka sağa balıklara bakın. Balık. Everybody, hello guys, young people. Right side on the boat, you can see the fish. Aquarium. Oh my god, 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 run, 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 hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Ain't no damn dolphin.
Oh yes, you wish it was joke. Shika.
Got it.
Let's go.
All talk done.
Alanya.
Have you gone to Burkina Faso before?
Yes.
No,
Do you like it?
Yes, I like
Let's
it.
go.
Okay, together.
And you, what's your background?
Ghana.
Ghana. Asamoah here.
Yeah. You come
This
back.
player Turkey, you know? Asamoah here.
She done?
Like assuming.
Yeah, that's the beach. Hopefully it's nice though. These are been out. I'm just chilling, you get me? This is just average Tuesday garden. It's not my donut, by the way. I can swim people, it's my sister's. Just chilling. Do you want the donut? It's easier if you just sit in it like this.
Guys, look at this road. So guys, we're on the beach of Alanya beach. Got me floater. You should have seen me earlier trying to get on the float.
Watch out for the rocks.
Yeah, I'm swimming, so
Across it anyway.
say hello. Say wagwan. Dad, come. You can't swim, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your English? So how's your day been like today?
Oh, today it's been nice.
What have you been up to?
We went for a boat ride.
Yeah, and how was that?
It was so marvelous.
Yeah. Look at that one. Yo.
Where did that come from?
Oh my god, that was cool.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Where did that come from, man?
That was so funny. Daddy, what were you trying to do?
You jumped over it.
No, he didn't. Well, you saw that big wave, guys.
Oh, my eyes, bro.
It's stinging, innit?
Me too.
I love
I want to do parasailing up there.
Yeah. Hopefully.
That was a big ass wave. Really big. Yeah. Whoa. Oh wait. Hello.
Mama's suffering out here.
What was I even gonna ask you? So what are you rating the holiday so far? I mean, it's only day one.
Huh?
It's only day one, but still.
It's alright. It's alright.
What about the
Not too
hotel?
shabby.
The hotel's 4 stars, by the way.
Not really given.
UK 4 stars and, other country 4 stars.
It was a last minute trip though, so.
Very, guys. We booked
Literally like
FET before.
A week and a bit ago.
We booked FET before we booked this.
But
Am I lying? There's a big one. I'm recording it. I don't think it's that bad. You see, it doesn't hit me like you lot, because I'm
yeah,
on the...
because you've got that, you're just floating across it.
Exactly. Okay. That's all for now, folks.
LD takeover. My hair's kind of wet. I was hoping not to get it wet, but it's kind of wet. I want to do something adventurous. I said it'll be a chill holiday, but you can't take the adventure out of it. Always got to do an activity on holiday. Just came back from breakfast, about to get ready, going to do paragliding. Then after, we're probably just going to go out shopping and yeah, just pre the town, pre the city, see what the vibe is. But nothing crazy for today. Tomorrow we're doing some activities as well. I know, chilled holiday. Never turns out to be a chill holiday though. Yeah, I need to get ready. So we're cutting out, man. Yeah.
Don't come back side. Yes, buddy.
Yeah.
Yes, buddy. Take off.
Run. Run.
Yes, buddy. Come back side.
Yeah.
Put your ass back side.
Yeah.
Back side. Yes.
Alright.
Yes, buddy.
Abi yanındayım he. Hay hay.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, man. Pardon hocam.
Yeah, that was amazing. Yeah, it was really fun.
Bye, everybody.
man got me up in some mud still. I'm telling them not to cop nothing from here.
Nobody.
They forced us here, people. What's the fit saying though? You're fit for today. Come on. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I need to cut this though. Nothing out here is Gara. Nothing is Gara. Like, there's no chance of catching me buying anything from here. I'm going. You wanna go?
I like the foam part. Because I told her to call me, but then I was like, oh, 5 o'clock.
Oh.
It was her 5 o'clock. So the next time I'm working is... The next time I'm working is... And then we'll eat.
Maybe. Oh, look at the dog. That's lit. Even though it's fake, that's lit. Check out my new bag. Strong as hell, man. We don't do designer. It's not designer. I don't think so. I know, I've never heard of it. I just wanted to buy a bag. That's all. Tired. We're about to head back. I'm looking burnt right now. I've got a tan and everything. Yeah. It's a bad sign. It's a bit girly, but I wouldn't mind taking on a trip. Can't lie, I've not been vlogging like that still. Been recording here and there, but yeah, it's meant to be a chilled holiday. I've just been doing activities. Just a lot of packing, shopping. Yeah, too much, man. Like right now, I'm about to get ready for bed. I say this, but I'll be awake for like 2 more hours or something. But bro, in the town today, like, this is probably the 3rd time someone has thought I'm a footballer, and there's always these little kids. Like yesterday, some kid was like, Sanchez. I'm like, Sanchez? Which Sanchez are you on about? Because there's a lot. And what do you call it? Today, some kids were like, oh my god, doing this. Then they came with the picture. I was like, bro, that is not me. Like, the guy had twists and he had other features similar to me. I was like, that is not me. Like, I might just go around saying, I'm joking, I wouldn't do that. But yeah, maybe they're not used to certain people in these ends. But everyone's friendly. Most people are friendly. Like, we've not experienced anything bad. My sister don't like the stares that she's getting. I'm not too bothered. Experienced that in bad places, so it's not that deep. But yeah, besides the stairs, no one does anything. But yeah, come to Antalya or Alanya. Come to Turkey. All of that. And they're doing some next show outside of it. So let me show you, man. I'm not doing that stuff, man. I'm just trying to sleep. They're making bare noise. Don't know if you can see it, but it's just bare people. Let me open it.
Lütfen herkesi 2 dakikalığına ayağa davet ediyoruz. So, as you guys, if you like our show, please 2 minutes stand up. I, дорогие гости, если вам понравились наши шоу-программы, пожалуйста, встаем. Ayağa kalkıyoruz. Stand up. Встаем, пожалуйста.
Mad. Good thing about us having pool views, we can watch from our rooms instead of being out there again, eaten up by flies or whatever. It's been biting my back. But tomorrow, got an exciting activity I know, chilled holiday. This is my chilled holiday. Not chilling at all. Just every day we've done something. I'm only here for a short time. My family's here for a bit longer, so just enjoying as much as I can. But yeah, I don't even know what country I'm gonna touch after this. But we don't need to think about that right now. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the holiday. Try to relax. A little break. Getting a bit more sleep now, which is good. So yeah, enjoying it, man. But I hope you lot saw the fit earlier. I don't really get a video of myself at the fit, but I hope you man saw it. Just a quick one, quick light one. It drew a bit too much attention, but a quick light one, you know what I'm saying?